What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be pretty much. So I got some LED switchback fog light bulbs from Lasfit. So pretty much, I'm not really gonna be doing like the full installation video and stuff like that because it's kind of like parts. So I got these about a couple weeks ago, and there's one thing though, I had replaced one side, but my other side was I couldn't replace it because the wire on there, like the parts for it that you plug in to the bulb was kind of corroded. So I had to order some new parts from AutoZone. So I got the new parts from AutoZone now. The side I'm putting these on is the passenger side that need to be replaced. Like the bulbs on there was working fine before I put the new ones in here. The only thing is just the fact is just typical Dodge thing. I guess because of how long they've been plugged in, that it had corroded. So I had to order a new, pretty much like a plug-in wire and stuff like that. So I'm about to attach these on there, and then the bulbs pretty much already is on there. The bulbs that Lasfit sent me, they pretty much on there. So all I got to do is just replace the wiring on there for it to be able to come on. So it's gonna be like an easy, little, quick, simple stuff to do. I'm just gonna show you guys like the before and after. So it's not anything crazy that I need to do, pretty much. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the steps.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. So I just got done doing a little quick little fix. So now both of my bulbs are working. So I'm waiting till it get a little bit dark outside so I can be able to show you guys like the huge difference from the stock ones I had on there before. But I'm gonna give you guys a little quick little switch up look, and here you go. Check it out. That's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think about my new bulbs, and definitely make sure you check out Lasfit. They do have a lot of good automotive parts and whatever you need for your car or truck. But definitely comment. Let me know what you guys think about the bright white lights or the bright yellow lights. Honestly, me, I like both, but I'm more so on the yellow light side, I say. But let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.